Assalamualaikum. In this video we are going to talk about our system, e-commerce complete system. Our group members is HAFIQ bin ZULKIFLI, SYAFI, AMIR, FARIS, SYAZZWAN and ZAHID. Our system is a system where a customer will give a complaint and then a staff will give feedback to the customer. In our UML diagram, we have customer, staff and admin that inherit from user class and a component class.
For a login, there are three things that we need to know. The first one is A that represents as admin, C represents as customer, and S represents as the staff. If I enter a random username and password, it will come out as wrong username and password because it was not registered inside the database. So let's say I enter the username for admin, then I will be directed into the admin menu. Let's go to the customer menu. Yes, and this is the customer menu. And finally, we can go into the staff menu as is said inside the database. And here, this is all the staff menu. And for the registration, first we need to enter the button to register, and then we put our name, our address, let's say my address, my email, my username, the password, confirm password, and contact. And when I click register and I refresh the database, you can clearly see that that I have registered inside the database. And if I enter my name and my username and log in, I will be redirected as a customer.
This is admin main menu, and admin can choose either to register staff, view staff, or log out for the next action. If admin doesn't choose any of three of that, an error message will be popped out and says that choose is selected. For example, if admin choose register staff, this page will be come out, and admin have to fill out the staff detail to register staff. For example, I want to register staff name SYAZZWAN. Then click register. If this error message pop up, it means that our password is not the same. So we have to check. We have to key in again for both our password and confirm password is same. As you can see, I already registered the staff. To confirm this, we can go to our database. As you can see, the staff name SYAZZWAN is already saved in database. Let's go proceed with the next action, which is view staff. As you can see, all the staff already show in the staff record data. This is our staff that we just registered earlier. For example, if I want to delete SYAZZWAN's stuff from this record data, I just click SYAZZWAN's name and click delete, and the confirmation message will be pop out. So we click yes. As you can see, staff name SYAZZWAN is already deleted. So to confirm this, we can go to our database again and check whether the SYAZZWAN is already deleted or not. As you can see, the staff name SYAZZWAN is already deleted. Let's go back to our main menu. So we can log out from our admin. As you can see, if we choose log out, it will go back to the login page.
Assalamualaikum. So for my turn, I will explain about the add complaint part. So for the add complaint part, the function we need to first click the add complaint and then click OK, and then after that the windows will come out, and then we need to choose the type of the complaint that we want to make, which is there are two here, whether food or beverage. So I will choose food, and then I will add complaint detail. So for example, I will say your food is too spicy. So for the desired outcome, I can put it, or I can also not put it. So this is an optional. So I will put it. So I will put, please make sure that your spice is decreased in the group. So I will click send, and then that's all. So the behind scene, so if you want to check, you can click menu, and then we can view our feedback. As you can see here, my complaint, your food is too spicy, have been recorded into the database. So the for the complaint, we have make a polymorphism, which is here, the function set complaint. There is two. The first one, there are three arguments, which is complaint, complaint type, and suggestion. And then the second one, here they only have two argument, which is complaint and complaint type. That's all. Thank you.
Next, in the customer main menu, you can see two other options: view account information and update account. For view account information, you can see the customer account details like the customer names, customer email, customer address, and customer contact. For update account information, when customer click it, the customer need to choose what he or she want to update. For example, when I click username, the customer need to enter the new username. I change the username from Ika to Zulaika, for example. Here you can see that in the database, the username Ika will be changed to Zulaika. For name, email, and address, the format is the same as the username, but for password, you need to enter the old password, new password, and confirm password. For example, if I enter a wrong old password, an error message will be prompted. Now I'm going to enter the right one. And when I didn't enter anything in the new password or confirm password, An error message will also be prompted to say that you need to enter all the details. So I'm going to enter a new password 123, and if I enter a wrong confirm password, an error message will also be prompted. 123. Now, as you can see, the user password 12345 in the database will be changed to 123. Lastly, for contact, you cannot enter string, you need to enter integer. If you enter a string, an error message will be said that you can only put number for the contact. So I'm gonna enter a random phone number 0112455080879. Now you see that the phone number has been changed in the database. That's all for the customer main menu.
So now I will show you our staff module for the project. So first we must to log in. So in the staff module you have three options: feedback, view complaint, and view customer. So for the feedback, you must enter the complaint ID, and the feedback details will display at the below thing. So before we enter the complaint ID, we can check the complaint ID in view complaint. As you can see here, this is the complaint ID, this is the date of the complaint, this is what the complaint is, complaint type, suggestion, and feedback status. So in the feedback status, if the staff does not given any feedback yet, this data will be no. If the staff has given a feedback for the complaint, this data will be yes. So we go back to the feedback. So first we enter the complaint ID, and then we enter the detail. So after we enter the detail, we can check. After we enter the feedback, we can check the complaint again, and yes, the feedback status has changed to yes, as you can see this. So and then for the last is view customer. This is our view customer, and in this view customer you can delete the customer if you want, and that's it.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching.